In this video, I'm going to show you how you can temporarily disable your Instagram account in 2021 on your iPhone or Android device. You want to open the Instagram app on your phone. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then go into your settings. Next up, you want to click on Help, which is right here. You then want to visit the Help Center because you cannot delete your Instagram account in the app itself. So make sure you go ahead and go to the Help Center page. As of right now, it's in Dutch, so let me do English. There we go. What you can do next is find the How Can We Help bar, and you want to type in delete. You can then click on How do I delete my Instagram account, and they will show you articles where you can do this. You'll also see this blue link, temporarily disable your account. If you click on that, they will send you over to a page where they're going to explain how you can do it. However, all you need to do is simply scroll down and then you'll see delete your Instagram account, that blue link. If you now scroll down, it's going to bring you back. You can click on that blue link, delete your account, and this will send you to the actual page where you can do it. Once again, you'll then see temporarily disable. So don't do it here. Make sure you click on this, and this is where you can temporarily disable your Instagram account. So just need a break, whatever. Then all you need to do is re-enter your password. So type in your password. If you don't know your password, click right there. And then you can go ahead and click right here to temporarily disable your Instagram account in 2021. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. Let me know if it works or if you have any questions, and then I'll see you next one.